Hey, what's up, family? It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and in today's video, girl, I'm doing something I have never done before, so I'm so excited. I am mocking or mimicking, not mimicking, I'm mocking TROPH DOLPH's video when she did this super cute Bantu twist out style using Miele Organics. Her video was sponsored, mine is not. I'm just doing it for fun. I just happen to have like the same products in my stash as she does. So I'm gonna go ahead and indulge into this style and let's just see if I achieve it 100%, 95, 90, 85, 70. Let me know what you think. Also, if you have not subscribed to the family, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So thank you all so much for tuning into this video, and please make sure to also follow TROPH DOLPH YouTube. I'm gonna link it down below. So thank you all so much, and let's get right into this mock video.
I'll be using products from their Prep and Define system. The leave-in serves as the prep, and then the curl smoothie, the twisting souffle, and the curl sculpting custard serves as the define, depending on what hairstyle you want and what level of definition.
Hey family, so I really wanted this video to be a side by side, but my iMovie was acting up, so we're just gonna go ahead and do it like this. So first I'm gonna go ahead and apply leave-in conditioner all over my entire head, just like TROPH DOLPH did in her video. So I'm literally following her steps dot by dot to the T for this tutorial. And then she went ahead and just combed out each section after she applied that leave-in, and then she went ahead and split her hair in the front where the Bantu knots are going to be. So that's exactly what I did, split my hair and then went ahead and put that up in a knot in the top of my head to get it out the way, and then went ahead and dealt with the back part of our hair. So for the back part, I'm going to be using the twisting souffle, which I absolutely love. This is what she used as well, and y'all know I love a thick cream, and this cream is extremely thick, so I most definitely do like this cream for sure. So then I'm going to go ahead and apply that to a smaller section of my hair, just like she did, and make sure to thoroughly get that worked into my strands and just allow it to really moisturize my hair. Then I went ahead and detangled again just to make sure there was absolutely no type of knots or kinks in my hair, and then just went ahead and twisted that all the way on up. Then I went ahead and just did the entire rest of my hair just like she did, and just detangling my hair, applying the cream, and then twisting right on up until I was all the way complete. Always looking for like new styles to do on my hair, because you know, a wash and go, a twist out, all that could really get old. So I was so happy that I decided to go ahead and try this out, because I really do like trying new styles on my hair, and I feel like this one was really creative. So shout out to you, TROPH DOLPH, for doing this for sure. So after I went ahead and just finished my entire back section, I went ahead and slept with a bonnet on, and then here's the next day, and just like she did, I took the bonnet off in the video. I literally mocked it step by step, and then the front of my hair is what we're going to be working on next. And let's just not judge me for this next clip, because hers looked cute when she took it out. Like, her front part looks cute, and mine just looks like little worms, like whatever. But we got to get that good itch in, because it was itching a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and just split and part my hair where the Bantu knots are going to be. So I went ahead and just parted those off camera, because I cannot part on camera for some odd reason. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Bantu knots in the front of my head, just like she did as well. So literally followed it step by step. Then after I went ahead and applied some leave-in conditioner, I combed it out and then applied the cream to that part of my hair. And I also made sure to get the front section of the hair really good so it can slick down. TROPH DOLPH did this as well, so I took that tip from her, and I'm so happy I did, because that really did allow for the front to look nice and sleek, because this cream is extremely thick and has like a lot of hold to it already, which is why it's so perfect for thick natural hair. So if you have thick natural hair, then this cream is most definitely something that's like optimal for you. So after applying the cream and twisting it up, I'm going to wrap the Bantu knot around and keep on going around until I have formed the entire Bantu knot. And then I just tucked my hair underneath it once I was finished. I know that she used bobby pins, but I just tucked my hair underneath and it was able to stay as well. So just whatever you prefer, whatever works for you best. So after I went ahead and did that first Bantu knot, I just did the exact same steps for the entire front part of my head. This part actually came out way better than I expected, because I did not think I could Bantu knot at all. I thought I was gonna make them too loose, and then sometimes I was like, oh, I'll make it too tight, but I guess I did okay. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. Also, a tip that I should have followed: just don't apply too much cream, because it will leave like a white residue like in the Bantu knot. But I mean, if it's on like the surface of your hair, it will dry, of course, and it'll dry clear. But in the Bantu knot, like in the middle of it, it will like leave a little bit of white. So just watch out for that. So afterwards, I finished Bantu knotting my head. I just went ahead and applied some oil to my twist. And now we're going to go ahead and separate, which is my favorite part, because these twists look so doggone bomb. Like, this cream is just amazing. Just like it works for TROPH DOLPH, it works for me. And this tutorial was like pretty easy to follow, which I'm so happy, because it's a cute style with easy steps, nothing too complicated. And what I appreciate most is the definition that I get from this product. Like, y'all, just look how defined those twists are. Like, not a dot of frizz in sight. Like, this cream clumps our thick hair together so well and just applies so much shine and moisture and definition to our hair. Like, it's literally amazing. Definition galore. And I also got this step from TROPH DOLPH, because she did the exact same frame, so I had to do it also, duh. So then I'm gonna go ahead and just separate my hair, and separate it where it naturally wants to separate. As we get deeper into this, you'll see like they just started to fall apart, like, and which is great. That means that you really did detangle your hair before you twisted it, if it just wants to separate naturally. So make sure you separate where your hair wants to, and then you will avoid lots of frizz. So I went ahead and got my pick and just picked for a little bit more volume. I did get a little more volume, but not a lot, just because that's how my hair is. It doesn't get as big on first day, but I was able to get some more volume out of it. But the definition most definitely was on point. Like, y'all, my hair was so shiny and soft and defined. I was like in shock, like literally shocked at how defined my hair was. And the Bantu knots came out so freaking cute. I love them. and I went ahead and just slayed my edges, and this is like the final results. So let me know what you all think in the comment section down below. I feel like I achieved this. Y'all think I achieved this 60%, 70, 80, 85, 99, or 100? Let me know down in the comment section below. TROPH DOLPH, shout out to you for making such a bomb tutorial. And please, family, make sure to subscribe if you have not already. And if you have, turn on your notifications. But while you're here, go ahead and enjoy another video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Mwah.